Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for vector. So given non-zero vector P and Q are perpendicular. So from here we notice that they mention vector P dot with the vector Q is equals to 0. A, they ask us to prove that the modulus for P plus Q squared is equals to the modulus of P squared plus with the modulus of Q squared. So kindly focus on the situation. Make use of the properties where we have A dot with the A is equals to magnitude for A squared. So kindly refers to this part. P plus with the Q, we have the modulus squared, which is equals to P plus Q dot P plus with the Q. So kindly expand. So we have P dot with the P plus P dot with the Q plus Q dot with the P, and finally we have Q dot with the Q. Simplify. So we have the modulus P squared. Then plus 2P dot with the Q. For this part, we have plus magnitude, we have Q squared. So do remember, we already mentioned just now, where P dot Q is equals to 0. So meaning that we substitute the 0. So finally, we can say that magnitude for P plus with the Q squared is equals to magnitude for P squared plus with the magnitude for Q squared. And we already shown or proved the situation. Next, kindly focus on the B. So question also the same, asks us to show the situation where we have magnitude P minus Q, which is equals to bracket, we have the magnitude P plus Q. So focus on the left hand side where we have P minus with the Q. So from here, if we square it, it means that we have the situation P minus Q dot with P minus Q. So kindly expand. P dot with the P minus P dot with the Q. Continue. Negative Q dot with the P, and then finally plus Q dot with the Q. Simplify. We have the magnitude P squared minus 2P dot with the Q plus we have the magnitude Q squared. So remember, P dot Q equals to 0. So means that we have P minus Q with the magnitude squared is equals to magnitude P squared plus with the magnitude Q squared. So kindly refers to the A. As we all know, this is the situation which is equals to this part. And from the A, we notice that actually the magnitude P minus Q squared is equals to this part. So at the same time, it is equals to P plus with the Q with the magnitude, and then we have square. So simplify the situation. Magnitude P minus Q is equals to magnitude of P plus with the Q. So we already shown the situation. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.